Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Friday morning, October 7th. And we are looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and SPY. And right now, with 30 minutes to go prior to the non-farm payroll number coming out, all of our indices, except for the Russell, have pushed below yesterday's low. Remember, we had a inside day. We're all in a 3-day balance. You know, the bottom line is this. Unfortunately, it seems like we're only waiting for these numbers, whether it's the job number today, CPI, PPI coming up next week, the Fed then again, Fed minutes. It's just horrible. You realize the thing that should matter the most, earnings, mean nothing. Unless you're trading the individual stock whose earning comes out, it means nothing. I don't care how big Apple is in these indices and Tesla and this and that, right? They're still part of a 500 stock group in the S&P. So where the S&P leans strictly on those inflationary numbers right now. That's it. Bottom line. So where we're trading now means nothing. SPY's overnight high right now is 373.66. Overnight low is 371.31. Like I said, the only one that hasn't traded below yesterday's low so far has been Russell. In fact, Russell's has been pushing up a bit. But again, it's all meaningless. Okay, we all had wide POCs yesterday. So we'll see which side we start on. The bottom line is this. We are in a 3-day balance. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. If you come out of it to the downside, we fill the gap. And then there's a lot of stuff to take back here, right? We had a triple we had a triple distribution day. We held those set of single prints. So we'll see how much they would want to take back there. Plus the daily would be down if we come out to the downside. If we take out the 3-day balance to the upside, we will be then going up. The next level is the 20-day moving average, then the price probe from back in September, and then there's a 12-wide point of control, and then nothing into the next weekly high. So this market should move fairly good today. I'd be a little surprised after the number if we trade in this 3-day balance. It's not impossible, but I would put the odds at that at maybe 25% at best. I think we have at least 75% odds to take the balance low out or the balance high out and get going. So, so to give you a game plan right now, it really isn't worth it. If we open inside of this balance, then you're going to need more MGI that forms today. If we open below the 3-day balance, again, it depends. If we end up having a large gap to the downside or upside, then I'll wait for a pullback to either get short or long against the gap. If, however, we're below here, but not filling the gap from the other day, now you have a decision to make. I'd still be looking for shorts because you'd have lower value. I'd look for shorts and use yesterday's low as my out, and the target would be first Wednesday's low, and then the gap fill as a short. On the flip side, if we're the gap higher, if it's a large gap, again, I wait. If it's not that large a gap, then I look for longs with the higher value and use yesterday's high as my out. That's early game plan right now for this market once the number comes out at either 8:30 and again when regular trading hours start at 9:30. We'll recap all of these indices tonight, their charts. So here it is. You're either coming out of a 3-day balance and going back up, or we're coming out of a 3-day balance and going down. Even though you'll be back in this balance, the daily would be down if we get below the 3-day balance. Good luck trading today. Come check us out at CamelbackTrading.org. Thanks for the likes and subscribing to this YouTube channel. And we'll recap the day and the week at 4 p.m.